Hey guys, so here's part 3 of the 1.7 day 2 notes. We're going to be talking about special cases with absolute value inequalities. So what happens when our inequality has a negative? So when we talked about absolute value equations, we said, well, with equations, it can't equal a negative. And the reason being is that because we only had, a finite number of solutions. But because with inequalities, we have a range of solutions, we can actually have our inequality be set to a negative number, okay? But this is what happens when we do have it set to a negative number. On the first one, notice that we do have the and problem. So this is our less than. So anytime we have the and, the less than, so we have the absolute value of ax plus b is less than or equal to, or just less than, to a negative value. This is when we have a no solution. So you just put no solution. Now, what happens when we have the or? So either the greater or the greater than or equal to. This is when we'll have infinitely many solutions. So we'll have negative infinity to positive infinity. Okay? So let's look at our first example. We have the absolute value of x plus 1 greater than or equal to negative 16. So is this our or the and problem? This is the greater. And we have set to the negative. So when we have a greater and it's set to a negative number, that means it'll be from negative infinity to positive infinity. So you don't even need to do any work, okay? Now, then on number 2, now what we have to do, we'll just do that. And you really don't need to do the number line. It's just, if we did, we would just shade the entire number line, okay? Number 2, if we have absolute value of 2x minus 1 is less than negative 25. This is the and problem. So anytime we have an and inequality with a negative, that means we're going to have a no solution. So that's all you have to do with those special cases. So you only have to identify if it's going to be infinitely many solutions. If so, we just write it in interval notation, so negative infinity to positive infinity. If it's the and with the negative, that means it's just a no solution, and that's it. Okay? Okay, make sure you guys work on your homework assignments, and if you have any questions, make sure to contact me. I'll see you guys later.